Does your air conditioner system need to be taken off life support? Maybe your central heating ventilation setup has decided to go on vacation. No matter the case, if your HVAC system is facing a hurdle, who you gonna call? Not Ghostbusters, us! You need HVAC system assistance? We'll be there in a jiffy, whipping out our tools, skills, and expertise to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Riley Heating and Air Conditioning is your local factory authorized Carrier dealer. You can trust us to provide lasting solutions to HVAC systems. Maybe there's nothing wrong, but you just want to carry out some routine maintenance. That's fine too. We'll race over and get the job done with ease, professionalism, and a smile. Sometimes technology changes, which is why we won't hesitate to upgrade your system to get with the times. So, what are you waiting for? Call Riley Heating and Air Conditioning now. We're always happy to help. Carrier, turn to the experts.